From Woman of God, $5,000.
Soul talk to you, Russ.
Woman of God.
Check it.
Soul talk to you.
5. Yeah, man, woman of God.
Yeah.
So nothing, man. Don't tell say come like Godzilla already, you know. Yeah, man, cause you see me. I tell you that. Nah, holy for love.
Yeah.
Holy for love, you see me? Yeah. I couldn't see a lot of girl out, so you see me?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Which one that? Which art is this? Dana Summer. Yo! A big classic in here, so. You might know how much years now people don't see all them things, huh? Cassette. Yeah. How much years people don't see them things, man? You know the wickedest thing now, you have a cassette player. Cassette player still about?
And they pan a compound and set them said we.
Same way. CD from run out everything. Now Bluetooth I do everything. Phone I do everything I know. Marvin, put one cassette. Foundation. Oh, long man see cassette. football. Watch I done this.
See it?
Oh, that. Chef.
Yeah, my brother, man, see it, Dada.
And there you have a shirt.
Yeah, man, put it on, you know. I don't know, from man, there, the sun, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm just chewing, I want, you know.
Shirt.
Keep my body calm and warm, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see it.
Forever warm.
Yeah, man, you sell up, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Chelsea shirt.
Yeah, man, full Chelsea blue, you know.
Yeah.
Full Chelsea blue, you know. Yeah, man.
So you're on the working idea?
Yeah, man, I know some foundation I dig on at the back, you know, so we can build a look wall, you know.
Yeah,
Place around us, and me and the man that dig the foundation and look, you know.
Right, I know.
Yeah, man, and it's a move, you know.
So Mr. Move up on it too?
Yeah, man, so they're not really big like a big site, you know, just a look. Yeah,
Smart thing.
yeah, man, because strength, I push out the strength.
Yeah.
Through the sun, I just push it out, you know.
So the ends can mean.
Yeah, man, you see.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man, so they are going to hold the faith, you know.
See how we man, because
Yeah,
the
man,
people
and
matter
feet
about
up.
the chef, you know.
Yeah, man.
I say, yeah.
And shirt right now, see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, then I want to see the
Next
shirt,
week,
yes,
in the kitchen.
And in the kitchen, they want to see the
Put a
shirt.
working suit, man, you know, Mr. Chef, you know?
The chef go.
Yeah, man, I'm a look peacock, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see?
Cool, man.
Yeah,
That
man.
man, so, man. Like
No,
them
man,
see
I
that
see it
shirt
weekend,
now.
man. Weekend, I see it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Right,
The Rasta
right,
come in and start look a piece of work, you see it, man.
Yeah. Cool,
Yeah,
man.
man. I saw what going on, man. You know?
And Prince round there said, be a smile on his face. Yeah, so smile and come on on Prince face, you know.
Smile orange, you know?
Smile like, yeah. Love him I look now, you see me?
Yeah.
How you feel today?
No feel bad today.
You don't feel bad today?
No.
See there, the blessings, man, everything will come on now. Everything will come on. Say, well shave up and thing. And well shave up and thing will go on easy.
So come boss, man. What's wrong with that?
Same time, yeah, I should be.
Yeah, up man, you hear that?
Yeah,
Like to see the Kino, you see it?
cool, man.
You know the thing already, though.
And see how the work will go on and everything.
Yeah.
Because you're not there far from moving in there now, you know.
Yeah, man, I know that,
You
man.
see me?
So finish up, so.
Yeah. I just scraps is left now. And then the paint up and everything now. Because the people them are wait to see the movie and thing, you know.
Straight,
Oh yeah. Cause you know we're gonna try to get to start out some. Because we're gonna need bed for your same way. TV and little thing there, you see me?
Which is
Get some little things for your place. So you don't know the people them are gonna reach out same way. And help support up and that. You see me? Likewise. Yeah. You know, likewise. A Prince project we are start and after we complete your one.
Straight.
So you know the thing already.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, please. Is it
Sure.
condition of yeah, man. Condition with the dog there right now, I like it, you know.
Yeah.
Big man think I like it, you know. At one
Sure.
time, you see me I say,
Yeah.
joke thing, I like the condition.
Yeah.
So I think I work on right now, have the bush, we limb up and take
Yeah.
the fence and line up with line.
Yeah.
man.
We get it started
See?
out, you know.
Yeah,
So
man.
we can make Prince
I want to
keep
set
a
my Prince thing
smile.
go up and running, man. I will bang gang it.
Sure.
Like how the gin thing, yeah, man.
So Prince can keep a smile upon his face.
Yeah, man, one bang gang, one gang.
We have some donation we collect as well today.
Yeah.
So you don't know a donation for Prince. For Ginger, you don't know the chef there. And also Marvin. You see me, so I'm going to start off with Woman of God.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, Woman of God always a look over on you know.
Yeah, man,
You
God,
see?
you know.
Woman of God. So you don't know we have Prince, Woman of God, $5,000. And Woman of God, $5,000 for Prince. You see me? Towards the material, you see me? Yes, Woman of God.
Woman of God, big up yourself, hold for blessing, hold for love.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Straight,
Towards those, you know?
Alright then. See that you have their God, oh. A woman of God. Because she say, oh, you always get a cook for him and good thing they always help him out drinking for right through the time. You see me? She say, oh, you know what's enough to bless up the chef Delgado. I know she always do that. She continue and do it same here. From Woman of God, $5,000.
So talk to you, Russ.
Woman
Check
of
it.
God.
Check it.
So talk to you.
5.
5.
Yeah, man, woman of God.
Yeah.
So nothing, man, don't tell say come like Godzilla already, you know. Yeah, man, cause you see me, Tell me, I tell you that. Nah, holy for love.
Yeah.
Holy for love, you see me? I couldn't see a lot of girl out, so you see me?
Yeah.
Holy for love, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, I tell them, man, mama, man, respect, yeah?
Yeah. And the woman of God, she always say, yo, she say Marvin as well too, because she say Marvin always there with me right through the mission. You see me? And she say, yo, the Rasta will always a walk with her. She say, yo, you know, I'm going to send him a thing. You see me? Because he's there right through. You see me? And this is from woman of God, 5,000 for you. As well from woman of God.
Ladies of God,
Woman of God.
you are blessed. You are so blessed.
So count to make you see it.
Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I hope a blessing and love and respect.
Yeah.
Because you do a whole heap, you know.
Yeah.
It'll take many more people like you to do this. So $5,000 can count to somebody. You see?
True.
So you have God in you.
Yeah, man.
Blessings.
Woman
You
of
see?
God, man.
Woman of
Bless
God.
you, know.
Blessings.
Godzilla.
You see? Blessings.
Straight, me, I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Respect your woman of God.
See there?
Yeah, man, respect, man, I tell you, man. Respect.
Straight.
Yeah.
So you know the thing, bro.
Respect, all right.
Woman of God, you have to big her up all the time, you know?
Yeah, man, woman of God, man, big up again, man, respect, you know.
And Jinjin, you have Eva from the UK, $8,000 from Eva, from the UK, So you see nothing between you, Prince, and Delgado as well. You see me, Eva, count that. Yeah, so that's from Eva from the UK.
Also have to say much love to Eva. Only for blessings and give thanks. You see me? May the God bless you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, only for honor and respect. Love.
Yeah. And also Eva, so Prince must get $3,000 as well too. And Eva, go on there. Yeah.
Bless yourself, man.
Eva.
Yeah.
Bless yourself, only for love, Eva.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, give thanks to you.
And people them say Prince keep on and smile, now them like the smile all the time from Prince too.
Yeah, food I eat, you know?
Yeah. It's a food I eat.
Yeah.
See them. I eat food, you know, food I cook regular. And she say, yo, Eva say, yo, the chef, come to the chef. When you bless the chef for me and give him $2,000, see that?
Yeah, man, you see.
From Eva as well, from the UK, Delgado.
Mama Eva.
So,
You know, Mama Eve, you know.
Yeah.
Like Eve, you know, holy for grace mackerel, you know.
yeah,
Yeah, man, love the blessing, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell her, man, respect, yeah. Mama Eve, man, you see.
Mama Eva.
Yeah, man, holy for blessing, Mama Eve. Respect you for that, man.
Yeah, from the UK.
That's the way, you know.
Yeah.
Something, man, you see me.
So you don't know. And we're there again back with Jinjin. This is from Bean, from Manchester. Bean from Manchester, $9,000 towards the materials and towards the cars. Yeah, Bean from Manchester.
Yeah, 9.
Nine.
Live in Manchester.
Yeah.
Bless for self family, you see me? Only for respect for this. I see brother cause I got help for this one things. Enough love.
Alright then.
Only for blessing, brother.
Yeah. And you also have Miss Bev from the US, Jinjin.
Yeah.
Miss Bev from the US, she contributes same way to your cause. Miss Bev, the US, $12,000. Want that?
Yeah, 12.
12, right?
Yeah, man, much love to Miss Bev, man, you see me?
Yeah.
Only for thanks, only for blessing Miss Bev. Give thanks and honor.
Alright,
So,
man.
man, yeah, man. Grateful for it, you know?
Yeah. So Prince, there with you again. And this is from Sweet Stop Surprise. You see him Sweet Stop Surprise from the UK.
Sweet surprise.
Yeah.
Sweet surprise.
Yeah. She said $17,000 towards your materials. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, $17,000 towards your material. She in Sweet Stop Surprise.
Sweet surprise.
Yeah. So count that. Count it first.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And that's 5. That's 5 that.
17.
So that's
Yeah, man,
17.
5 and 12.
So that's 17,000, right?
Yeah.
And that's towards your material and everything. So you don't know where I make you count it and everything, because remember, you know, I will keep it for you towards the materials.
Yeah, the
So,
material.
you know, and you have Nana from the UK, $8,000 towards, she said you want to go to a doctor, so you can check up on your condition, you see me, so you can get a daily medication for that as well, you see me, so you start shaking out, so $8,000 from Nana. So liquor, she agreed to bring in a doctor, so she will bring you, so count this from Nana, $8,000.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So that now from Nana in the UK.
Big up yourself, Nana, from the UK. Much love,
Yeah.
much strength.
Sweet stuff.
Yeah. I remember big up Sweet Stuff as well.
Yeah. Big up Sweet Saps.
Yeah.
Much love, much strength. Holy love. Yeah, man.
So that 8,000 that Nana said now for you for a doctor. So Lico said she bring her doctor.
Yes.
So them find out where I go and everything.
Check up your nerves.
So check up your nerves.
Yeah, man, that coffee is in.
Yeah. And this is from Joan.
Yeah.
This is Prince again from Joan towards the material.
Check up your nerves and it.
$9,000 from Joan towards the material. Joan from Florida. So count it. Joan from Florida, 9,000. Yeah.
Joan from UK.
No, from Florida.
Florida, yeah.
Big up yourself, Joan from Florida. Much love, much strength.
Yeah.
I like what I do for me. Holy love.
Yeah. Holy for blessings.
Holy for blessing.
They might contribute towards your cause for your materials.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Because you don't know, say, the living condition is very poor. So very soon we're going to start buying the material them so we can get on with it. Because you know, Ginger want to come to a close.
Yeah, man.
And you have Charmian from Brooklyn, New York. Charmian from Brooklyn, New York. $10,000. Prince towards the material. See him here. So for that. Charmian.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 from Charmian.
Big up yourself, Charmian from the UK.
No man, Brooklyn, New York.
Big up yourself, Charmian from
Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah,
Brooklyn. Holy for love, holy for strength, holy for love.
yeah. So your legs them are shakes already, man.
I tell you, man.
You need a pill now, man.
I tell you, man, it's in nerves, virgin.
Yeah, you start shake now. So the money we get now, you know, I'm gonna put them in the bank for you towards the material and everything. So we can start the ball road, you see me? You know, your legs them are shake now, you know. So from when you get the injection?
From about 3, 4 days now.
4 days now.
4 days now. 4 days now.
So how you look Ginger after you get the injection?
What do you?
So when you get the injection, that shake same way, but you don't know how, you continue to shake, but this means to cool down and then it up back again for them, so. You know, you just need some nerves food and thing, and nerves juice.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
You feel
Feel
nerves,
the
you
man
can
feel
calm
your
me.
nerves down, they go up in there.
Nerves pill them.
Yeah, man, them settle your nerves down.
As I
You
will
used to take them in the
tell
gym.
you, say you can drink soursop tea. You see me, leaf, you boil it and drink it enough time. You see me, you feed on it daily.
And peanut.
And the
Peanut
and
bush,
everything.
there's something the red one, the red something come out right, drink that.
Trash.
You can buy them things, like people have them things they got throw down, so you just get that. And we use them there as tea. Every morning that you drink.
Yeah. So Delgado, the chef there,
Yeah, man.
is in
No,
on the
man,
scene.
man, you see. Big up here, everybody. Holy for love, yeah. Yeah, man, that me I tell them I hold for love, man.
Only quite love.
Yeah, man, cause you don't know my style already, you know. You see?
Yeah.
All a long time you know the fire, you know, big up here. All a big clocks, you know. Boss, man. See, got that. See.
And Prince himself, so as I say Prince,
I want to give back a link, you know.
towards a condition and everything, so we gotta sort out, isn't it, so the work can start and everything, isn't it? Yeah, man. So that's go on with the fake see, man.
Love them.
Yeah. So big up to everybody, see him here.
Yeah, I like
Stop, I want to watch
Well,
this.
Party, man, you can shift them, man.
Hold on, boss. Hold on, respect. Everybody from start, you know. Just want to tell everybody say much love, isn't it? Yeah. Blessing, man, you see it?
Yeah.
Thing almost finished, so it's a good look, bro.
Yeah, so.
Look, brother, man.
Love it, look already.
Happy, I swear.
Yeah, see everything now, flow tile out and everything. Everything, so I get.
I just get the paint up now and so you go finish my decorating on the front.
Yeah.
Start out. Yeah, just that. So I just want to get it matched up quick and fast. By next week, we're supposed to get moving.
Yeah, man, so.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so don't know if I give thanks to the Almighty.
Yes,
See him
man,
here.
every time.
Because without the Almighty, this would have possible.
Yeah, for real.
But man, you don't know do the things through we and through the people, them see me if we can go in the strength.
For real.
As I say, the journey never easy. So we are continue to go and take it and see him here.
Yeah.
Because we not stop. You see me? So we keep on and go press gas. We not ease off of the journey. You see me? So the blessings are continue to come and see him here. Because when I say Prince, your project we are move on to after we're done with Jinjin. You see me I say? And you don't know the chef there got the house like there for win in the kitchen, see him here. And them say if we put on your shirt.
Yeah, man, I have my shirt, man, this time, man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
It's too shit to play around, so I want to be straight in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
You hear that? Yeah, man, cause you see me?
See
Look side of drop down, so I want him to apply there, you know. Straight it up, you see me I say?
You want the kitchen up, man.
Yeah, kitchen
Man, two round them, man, I use them, man, gin, man, you see?
Yeah. I don't know Marvin Morgan there.
Yeah, man.
Never leave my side right through.
Yeah, man, I hope a blessing and love to the world, man. You see?
Yeah.
Lady of God.
Woman of
Blessings, you know.
Woman of God,
You see?
yeah, man,
Don't
respect,
you me
man.
like that thing that some say lady.
Lady of God.
Lady of God.
Alright.
You understand? Hope a blessing and love, you know?
Yeah,
Like what you do.
Yeah,
You
man,
see?
woman, man. Respect, you know,
So,
woman, lady of God, you know?
Yeah. You see, change you want to know.
Yeah, man, you see? Never change, man, you know?
Chelsea.
Chelsea blow, you know? Arsenal Man City tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Hey, the people them rate you over saying, God, I'll be able to talk about them say, you're the chef assembly, you know. You see me? You see, all those chef you ever have on a shirt, you might as well give a joke. You see me? But as I say, people them like to see the smile on the face, them and know so things are got me, you see me? So I keep to the good work.
Last time I like the time, but I want the world see him just to come from work right now.
Yes, sir,
Man,
You never know.
Yeah, man. Blessing, man. Long life and
yeah.
thanks. You didn't
Just
take
like
care
come
of a great thing. It's been a long time.
Somebody
Yeah.
on my phone number from England.
Yeah.
Somebody say, this man send me number, I'll give him a number.
Yeah, see there.
Yeah, say, I want him number.
See there.
You know what I tell her last night?
Yeah, remember I tell me that, man.
Baby said she want the number for give somebody. So
Yeah.
this man.
I give somebody a number last night too, you know.
Yeah, man. You see?
What
Yeah.
you
Jam.
saying,
Oh, I'm like I see him now. Come like I see him, man. You
Yeah,
know.
man, I man,
Like I
Jockey
see him
Jam.
like link. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
link me last night, man, I'm second
You
time
want to know
too.
all them, man. You see?
Did that party
there,
down there,
so.
so I beef for come mash up now like how the man have the real thing.
That joker, man.
I want to love and respect, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, just bless up everybody who contribute, you see me I
Yeah,
say.
man. Bless everybody.
Yeah, man, bless everybody,
We send on the donation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Respect everybody, man. You see?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You see me?
Yeah, and thank you for
Prince Project will
continuing.
move to next, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Get it up and running, man. You see me?
see there.
Yeah, man. Respect, you know? But you see?
Alright,
Top.
Yeah, man.
alright then Prince. 'Cause at least people them say Prince start smiling now, you know. You see me I say?
The face get look
All
fat.
his face get fat now, everything.
Whoa!
That the people them want to say long time. So you say, God is good. You see me I say? God is good. Real man. See they say, it make things possible, Ginger. You see me I say? Trust.
Everyone, God bless.
Yeah.
Love everybody.
Sure.
I'm starting now, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, all the thanks.
See that man. You understand?
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, let's say the word, me love you. Love your body, man. Yes, me love you now, though. Blessed love, you know? Blessed love, you know?
Everybody, feed. Yo, we can't call the name because there's too much name for call.
Only by name, you know.
So we have to just say, everybody,
Yeah, man, you
we
see.
give thanks and us. You see me?
Like a train night, you know? Man, you see me? Yeah, man, you see me? I tell you, man, you see me? Yeah, man, you have a respect for everybody. Yeah.
So we are cooking in the kitchen next night, pan the next.
No, say next now, then for the menu, put a pound of grunt, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, 270, you know, 1 pound of grunt, you know? Yeah, man, steam with some rice, you know?
See,
Look at me from now, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, man, I go and hold the faith, man, you see?
Alright then. See it there.
Scrap up.
So blessings and give thanks, and as I say, thanks to the subscriber them and thanks to the viewer them. Thanks to the people them who are doing it towards the people them in need. You see me? We are continuing to do the God work same way. You see me? We are continuing to do God work same way. We're not going to stop. You see me? Because I'm say, for the call him if you're on site and we're going to do it. You see me? We're not stop. So after we move on from changing Prince, and we are move on CMA from Prince to CM, because a whole more people there in need, CMA. God says I'm going to fix up him shop so he can have a better business in the future, CMA. So still a project CMA and other people there. We are move on to CMA. Yeah man, so give thanks people. We are signing out. You see me? Alright. You wanna go with that bag of things?
Combo. Yeah, that. Right.
$100 per day?
Yeah. Well, and I woke up here from yesterday.
Yeah.
Alright, keep up the work.
Right.
Next one, switch.
Where was I going with that bag of things? Chody, lift up your foot, Chody.
I wanna go
Gotcha.
Marty, that now come off in us the way I do.
Let's not pay attention, look. Right? I'll have to get tomorrow. Right?
Marty, turn to the right.
Marty, I know you're moving to the one place, the foot still, so I'm moving.
No. I'm over the left, no. Left. Away.
Just try, man. But you try, man. Good enough.
In. Up. Up. No.
Grand collection of charm.
Grabbers are move like him unfit, you know.
Yeah.
Marty, you feel so much.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.